Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to install any emulator GBA, iNDS, PPSSPP, Delta, Retro on iOS 17. The concept of emulators and their purpose, especially in the context of gaming on iPhones. Mention specific emulators like GBA, iNDS, PPSSPP and Delta that will be installed in the demonstration. Explain what emulsion means, highlighting its function in allowing one system to mimic another. Accessing Scarlet website. Open your browser on your iOS device. Navigate to the Scarlet website. Step 2. Installation via Scarlet. Scroll to the bottom of the Scarlet website to find the installation button. Click on the install button to initiate the installation process. Wait for the Scarlet app to be installed directly on your device. Step 3. Trusting Scarlet. If Scarlet fails to open, navigate to Systems, Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Verify and trust the Scarlet app to ensure its functionality. Step 4. Searching for emulator IP files. Return to your browser and search for the IPA file of the desired emulator. Alternatively, visit a website like onzailbreak.com to find emulator IPA file. Step 5. Downloading emulator IPA file. Download the IPA file of the emulator you wish to install. Example GBA for iOS. Step 6. Installation emulator via Scarlet. Open the Scarlet app on your device. Locate the downloaded IPA file within the Scarlet. Click on the IPA file to initiate the installation process. Step 7. Verifying installation. Return to your device home screen to check if the emulator has been successfully installed. Step 8. Enjoying emulator games. Launch the installed emulator from your home screen. Begin playing your favorite games using the emulator on your iOS device. Installing additional IPA files. If desired, repeat the process to install additional IPA files for other emulators or games. Emphasize the ease of accessing and using emulators through Scarlet, enabling users to enjoy a wide range of games on their iOS devices. Remember to adapt and clarify steps as needed for clarity, considering any specific technical knowledge or requirements of the audience. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.